Welcome. My name is Theatric, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell. And this is how you can progress to be able to do 100 push-ups. And let's get started. First thing we did, we started off with 20 push-ups. So we can knock out 20 real quick. Then we take a break. And if you're new to the channel, I have a lot of workout videos available for you. Feel free to look at some of my previous videos for more workout tips. And I like to get like a 20-second break in between my sets. Just let my body recover. And let's get into the next set. And if you're new to push-ups, you can do sets of 10 to start off. And that way you'll only have to do 10 sets. And if you're good at doing push-ups, 5 sets of 20 and knock out 100 for you real quick. Then you can easily progress up to 150 and 200. How many push-ups can you do? Send me a comment and let me know how many push-ups you can do. I'd love to know. Let's get us another 20-second break in. In between your sets is a great time to get in some stretches. Some great stretches you can do are going down and to the left. Hold it for 8 seconds. You come back up. Go down to the right. Hold it for 8 seconds. Come back up. Down to the middle. And come back up. Then arms up to the right. And to the left. And straight up. Great job. Now let's get into the third set. Great job. Now let's get in a 20-second break. And if you want to maximize your break time, you can do other exercises to make it beneficial to your exercising. One thing you can do if you have no weights is you can do regular squats with no weights. While you're breaking, you can also do lunges. Great job. Now let's get into the fourth set. Great job. Now let's get in a 20-second break. And if you're new to working out, I put out a lot of videos to help new beginners with workouts. Feel free to check those out. There's a lot of great follow along videos. Now let's get another 20-second break for this last set. While we're waiting, let's get in some squats. And another round of lunges. Great job. So we've done 80 push-ups. Let's get in the last 20. Great job. And that's the easy way to do 100 push-ups. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get in some push-ups with the push-up bar. And I'm going to show you different ways you can actually do push-ups to maximize your experience. And one is to have your hands in the triangle. Spread them out wider. Then you can spread them out even wider. Then you can use a push-up bar. And those are some different ways you can do push-ups to maximize your chest strength. Let's get in a 20-second break. Let's go grab us a water and I'll be right back.